Aditya Arora also joins us on the show to talk to us about the technicals. Aditya, hi, good to be speaking with you. Well, what's your bet? Are we likely to hit 25,000 over the next 10 to 15 days or not?
Hi, very good noon to you and to everyone. Look, market is actually waiting for a big trigger, and that trigger lies in Fed's meeting, which is lined up in this week. So before that, I don't think market will show very big movement, but in fact would consolidate in a tight range. Depending on the commentary, we can see a very big action in the market. Both international market and Indian markets are well poised for a big action in the market, and I think post the Fed event, we can see movement of 200 to 500 points in Nifty. So let's see, that depends on the commentary of the Fed. But so far, the data buildup has been positive. So probability is that if the data remains stagnant or it remains like this only, then there's a good probability that we'll hit the upper range. So far, the setup is neutral to bullish.
Right, but 24,800 seems to be quite a resistance for the benchmark at least, right?
Yeah, that's a big resistance because 24,850 is the last big volatility expansion day, which we saw on Thursday in the last week. Post that, market consolidated for 1 week, and again this time also 24,850 is the important resistance for the market. Until that is not taken out, I think call writers will remain very active over there.
Right. And how are real estate stocks looking like? Obviously, there are multiple initiating nodes that have come in from brokerage side, but how are the technicals looking like for some of the key buzzing real estate stocks like Oberoi, Macrotech?
I think the charts are very good, and in fact, real estate has been the first mover today, post the volatility expansion day, which we saw yesterday. And there were a lot of unwinding of position happening yesterday because market participants are very confused in which direction the market will go. But Nifty reality is clearly giving positive signs on the charts with proper breakouts, volume accumulation, and long data buildup accompanied by positive news and positive brokerage upgrades. So I think it's in a good territory and it's trending higher. So I believe that the trend may continue over here.
Okay, the trend on real estate might continue on the upside, but we were just discussing some of these oil and energy names which were in the red. What's your chart call on that, and any other interesting names that you're spotting as a buy opportunity on the charts?
Sure, I think because of escalation in crude oil prices, the volatility, these stocks are experiencing volatility as their underlying, commodities, crude oil. So I think somewhere down the line, 3 months, 6 months down the line, I feel crude oil will break its swing low and we can inch high lower towards $60. So if we take a medium term view, then I'm constructive on these companies. So that is point one. And if you talk about the stock picks, then I like Zee Entertainment. There's a lot of news going on in this counter as well, but the chart setup is pretty encouraging. So it's a buy at 136. That's the current market price. 130 is the stop loss, and 142 to 149 is the target. This is the first one. And second one, Godrej Industry, which is going through a tight consolidation right now, but there are signs of accumulation over there. Buyers are trying to, take the prices higher. So this is a buy at 1095. 1055 is the stop loss, and target is 1135 to 1150.
Right. Thank you, Aditya, for joining us and giving us your perspective over the markets.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.